Hi, this is Paul. Good morning. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. We're looking at a fresh trade-in, a 2010 Toyota Sienna, stock number 24649. This is a Braun Rampvan, fresh trade-in. The ramp doesn't seem to work. I cannot get it to function whatsoever, not even manually. I'm not sure how to get the ramp to work on this side. So it's a fresh trade. It's got a 182,000 miles, 2010 model, XLE. Power sliding doors. The one on the driver's side does work, but that's not where the ramp deploys. Overall, it's in decent shape. It's dirty. Just looking to wholesale it, looking for the top bidder. This is a Braun. We're a Freedom Motors competitor. Instead of trying to fix it, we're just going to wholesale it. We have hundreds of late model 2016s, 17s, and 18s, so this one we're not really looking to retail to the public. Looks like it's got some hay on the floor here. It's pretty dirty. I have not been able to get that door to open, which has got the ramp on it. There's a side entry, so it's got both of these seats here. It could be removed if you're able to get the side open. Starts right up. It's got heated seats. The power doors. So power door does work on this side. $182, cold air conditioning. It's got potential, just got to get that ramp working. Braun Rampvan, 182,000 mile Toyota Sienna XLE 2010 model. Side entry ramp. If you're interested in this vehicle, want to make a bid or an offer, call us at 1-800-625-6335, Battle Creek, Michigan. That's 1-800-625-6335. If you're interested in getting a wholesale figure on this vehicle, if you're looking to make a bid, make an offer, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335, or email the powers that be. Thanks so much for watching my video. Have a great day.